Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I have DJI's brand new Osmo Mobile 7P. This is more than just a selfie stick. And it's a beautiful day in my garden today. Come as I show you my garden as I'm using my new Osmo Mobile 7P. This is more than a selfie stick. It has 3-axis self-stabilization and a gimbal. This is DJI's new flagship smart tracking smartphone stabilizer. This is brand new for the year 2025. It's in their Osmo Mobile 7 series. The model I have is the Osmo Mobile 7P, which is the deluxe version. And it's gonna follow me as I'm running down my steps to make sure I'm front and center in my screen while I'm taking my videos. In the mode I am now, it's going to pan and follow me as I'm going down my steps in my garden. And now I'm going to change it to the FPV mode. So click him till it gets to the right mode. There it is on FPV mode. It's going to follow the hand movements when you're recording. It's great for capturing creative shots, so check this out. I'm going to start recording because I want to go on my swings. Let's go. How fun to be able to be with the stabilizer while I swing in my trees. This is the best selfie stick with the best gimbal I've ever seen in my life to get creative shots like this. Smooth, even though I'm sailing and twisting and turning, and my swing in my backyard. How fun. The Osmo Mobile 7P is a more powerful 3-axis smartphone stabilizer that maintains your shot in this very portable and lightweight stick. It's really easy to shoot excellent video with this smartphone stabilizer. You no longer have to worry about shaky shots. You can focus better on getting good content. Now check this out. The Osmo Mobile 7P has a multifunctional tracking module, and that's it right there. This is the brains of the Osmo 7P. It allows tracking, it allows lighting, and audio integration. And this is my microphone. Right now I have beautiful natural filtered light, so it's not on, doesn't need to be on. But indoors, I'll show you later, it'll go on. And it has a great tripod, so you can rest it on something and move around and it'll track you. So pull out the bottom and then you unfold the tripod. This double arrow icon on the bottom, when you double click it, it changes the position of your phone from vertical to horizontal. Let me double click it again and show you that again. It's so easy and it's parallel with the world. It has an internal leveler on it, so your video is equal with the horizon of the world and your scene. This trigger button is just the best. And to change the direction of the camera, you just press the trigger button once to get your selfie back on. There are so many cool features. Let me show you how it can be stabilized on the tripod. I'm going to press it again so I can give you a tour of my yard. And while I'm thinking of a scene, it actually gives me videos to do to suggest shot guides. What an easy way to learn how to use this best. I'm going to get out of this now to do my own scene. I tap the white box and that's going to activate the smart tracking. And the white box will turn green. This is an integrated tripod. It's unique in that it offers multifunctional tracking mobile with the tripod function. So you're able to get in front of it and do many different things because it automatically, with its AI intelligence, is able to track you and zoom in on you as you command it. Check out these hand signals. You can also use hand gestures with your Osmo 7P mobile. It has 3 gestures you're able to use. If you prefer to use the camera on your phone, you can also use hand gestures to control the gimbal using the multifunctional module. Here I am just using my iPhone camera, and watch how the multifunctional module understands the hand gestures I am making and starts working. As you can see, my phone is not recording yet. Now here, I'm making a peace sign in front of the module. You can see the light on the module flash yellow, then it goes to red, and now my phone has started recording. And to end the recording, you simply do another peace sign. Peace out. Isn't that cool? For smart tracking, I simply put up one hand like this. You can see the light go from red to green. This means that the module recognized the hands-up gesture and is actively tracking you. And now the module will track me in any direction I want to walk. Here I am walking from one side and looking up and down. Everything I'm seeing with my eyes is what the camera on my phone is also seeing. I really liked how this view of my steps looked with all these flowers, so I did the double L gesture to activate the intelligent composition. Now my camera will lock this frame and another peace sign to have my video end right here. There we go. That's so cool. And when you're done with the tripod, you just put it back together and inside it goes. This is a side wave wheel. And by holding it down, it turns the light on. You can see there's a little more light on my face now. I'm going to turn it off so you can see the difference. That's off. And that's on. And the light has 4 different temperatures and levels just by adjusting it. It can go brighter and different temperatures of warmer or cooler. Wow, that's a lot of features for a little light on your phone. And now off. And for zooming in, you twist that dial with your camera facing outward to zoom in, and look at how reactive it is. I'm trying to get my hummingbird sign right there. It says hummingbird crossing, and the stabilizer now has gotten right to the sign. There you have it. We'll move out and we'll move in. The stabilizer knows that's my focus. Look, you can read the words hummingbird crossing when actually that sign is way over there. The DJI Osmo Mobile P has a joystick. That joystick will adjust your camera with those gimbals. Check this out. I can go up to the sky by pressing it up. Isn't that amazing? And now I'm moving it up to get the clouds. Now it's centered. I'm going to go down. Let's go take a look at the grass. All the way down, back to center frame. And now I'm going to go to the left. You can see the house. There's my house. And to the right, let's look at the oak trees. And back to the hummingbird sign. And for that close-up. Pretty amazing you can do that just by that joystick. And check out this mode. It's called Spin Shot. I'm going to use a joystick to turn it left. And here goes the camera all around. So I press my joystick to the right. And there it is, spinning. Now I'm going to spin it to the left. And it freely spins. So very still and calm because of those 3 gimbal stabilizers. Yay! I'm going to stop there. And to reset it, you just double-click the back button. And it goes right to horizontal where I want it to be. Now the whole time I'm using my Osmo Mobile 7 smartphone stabilizer, I have a microphone on. It's a built-in wireless microphone receiver right in that hooks up to your iPhone. I always want professional sound when I'm shooting video, and DJI has the special mic to do that I've added to my unit. And it's great for selfies too, because I can use a toggle to get just the frame I want and press click. Yay! And another one, just in case. And the design is really easy to fold up when you're all through. Press down the telescopic feature, unplug your phone, out comes your phone. I take the cord out. The multifunction module remains on, and twist the phone holder and fold it in. Look at how small and compact this is. I could even put this in my purse if I wanted to. And it's super lightweight. After you fold it, the power automatically goes off. Another great feature, so you don't forget and run through the battery. When you order your DJI Osmo Mobile 7P, it comes right to your door. Mine was put right on the table by my front door. I opened it up and put the box right on my counter. Here's a close-up of the front of the box. Here is the back of the box, which shows the features of it right there in the box that reminds you why you got it in the first place. It even has the QR code, so you can download the app quickly, right on the box. Here's the size of the box. It's thin because the Osmo Mobile 7P is small and transportable. The box design is beautiful. This would make a great present to give someone. I placed the box on its side and I opened it. It was packed very well so that nothing would get damaged during shipping. So I took everything out of the box and laid it out on my mat on my counter. Here it is, all wrapped up on my counter with the travel pouch at the top. I unwrapped the accessories. At the top we see the USB-C to USB-C for the multifunctional module. And the bottom cord of the USB-C to USB-C is for charging the whole unit. The top right rectangle is the multifunctional module. It's a module that tracks you, it offers light, And it also is a receiver for your microphone. Very multifunctional. And the bottom is a magnetic phone clamp. Here on the top, as you can see, the front of the multifunctional module. There's a light on the right and the tracking camera on the left. And on the bottom, we see the back of the magnetic phone clamp. The magnetic phone clamp connects to the multifunctional module, just like that. It snaps into place magnetically. And here's the safety guidelines and the quick start guide. I've opened up the quick start guide so you can see how well it's illustrated. To make it very simple, just looking at the pictures to set it up. And the QR code is on the bottom right of that as well. And the opposite side, just with illustrations, it gives you more directions on how things work. Here's a close-up of the travel case. And here's the handle, the stick of the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P with the controls. Here's the side of that, and this is in the folded up position, the other side too. And here's the back of it with a lever folded down. Here's a close-up so you can see the quality of the construction, which is always how DJI makes things. High quality construction. Here's the top, again with the QR code and instructions on how to turn it on and off right on the top. What a great design, very sleek. It fits very comfortably in your hand. This is the folded position. And now I'm going to show you how you charge it up. With USB-C, you just plug in one to the side of it, and the other side of the connector is to plug into your power source. You can set it up on your tripod and you can plug it in to charge up the handle portion of your Osmo Mobile 7P. And as it's charging, you'll see a green light blinking. And after you've charged up the unit with the handle, that's when you add in your module. This is where we see the USB-C right into the side of that. And that's going to be added to the main body of your Osmo Mobile 7P. And here it is with its tripod stand opened up and placed on the counter, all ready to accept your phone. We see the multifunctional module that will be right below your phone, the light facing you and the tracking camera facing you as well, all the way down to the tripod base, which is very stable. Here's the back of what it looks like. And this is where your thumb rests on the trigger in the back of it, all the way up to the back of the multifunctional module, and it's attached to the back of the magnetic phone clamp. And here's the side of it, and we see the side wheel and the charging port, and all the way up to the side of the multifunctional module and the phone clamp. We're going to see the pan motor and then the tilt motor at the top, because it has 3 ways that it moves with those gimbals. And on the back of this, there is the roll motor, and the plate on the top tells you which direction to face your camera. Now I've placed my cell phone camera in it. Here's a close-up of the setup. Now I've switched it to a vertical orientation. I must say that the tripod base is so stable, it's not going to rock and fall over. I'm super impressed with the hardiness of the tripod. I also ordered the DJI Mic Mini, and this is the box it came in. It comes in a great case that's also the charging case. I took it out of the case. You can see the 2 microphones on each side with the receiver in the center. And let me show you how easy the app was to download. I went to DJI Mimo. Downloading this app was just like any other app. Just a few screens and you're connected. And along the way, it lets you know there's tutorials and all kinds of information to make getting to know your DJI Osmo Mobile 7P simple and easy. With the Academy and the lessons it'll show, as well as the DJI store. I connected my Osmo Mobile 7P, a few more screens, and away we go. Got the welcome screen, and in just a few minutes, I was ready to film. It gives you the prompts so you know just what to do, and some hints along the way as you first start. It teaches you how to track right away. And I'm going to quickly go through some of the screens of the DJI Mimo app that you use to run your DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. And then it tells you, congratulations, you've completed your tutorial. It was easy to learn all the features. And once you're in, the top of the screen lets you control it with other settings and adjustments. And there's icons on the bottom to show you what the battery level is and other things you'd want to know. Custom settings and more. There's another tutorial video that will come up to show how easy it is to use the icons on the top and on the right. Even a slider on the bottom to pull in on your subject or pull out. How easy that was. That was so easy. It has such a range, and there's even some fancy things like Dynazoom. It's full of features. You can really geek out on all the different features it has. What a beautiful day in my backyard. I can't wait for my rose garden to be in bloom. Right now it's just a bunch of sticks. Look at how stable those shots are. And up to the sky. Wow, it's a beautiful day in sunny Santa Barbara, California. Click the link below to get your DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. This is the most amazing smartphone stabilizer I could even imagine. So happy to have it now for all of my videos. You should get one for your videos too. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is one for a really good video, because that's what you want to spend your time on, the best of the videos. If you like this video, here's some over there, including some other really cool high-tech products by DJI right there.